Hi guys, welcome to With These Hands Gardening. I am Meredith. I am an avid gardener. I started gardening approximately 10 years ago. Actually, it started prior to that. My grandfather, who gardened to feed his family, he rented a space out by Island Avenue in Pennsylvania, and he gardened there. He had a full acre of gardening land that he was doing to feed his family. So the skill sets and the information I got was subconsciously given to me as a child. And as I got older, it was just something that I was passionate about, and it just came really natural to me. So at this point, I'm gardening on probably a half an acre, not the complete acre, but little sections of my backyard and my front yard. I've been posting videos to Instagram and Facebook, and with the responses that I've gotten and the people who know me, they wanted more information and have been trying to talk me into actually starting a YouTube channel. So here I am. My goal here for this YouTube channel is to inspire people and get them going and encourage them to garden. With the way that the climate is now, I feel as if everyone should grow something somewhere, be it in pots or be it in the land or be it in containers. You could do flowers, vegetables, herbs. And my goal with this channel is to give all the information and share all the information that I can. Which is easier than people think it is. A lot of people think gardening is really hard, and it really isn't. So I'm here to kind of give my knowledge and answer any questions or issues you may have. My goal is to start from the beginning. We're coming into the fall season now, so now is the time to order your catalogs and figure out what you're going to grow. I'll go through step by step on different things as far as how to turn your soil, what amendments to add, whatever way you decide to take it from there. So I hope that this channel will encourage a lot of people and get them to understand the importance of gardening. It is actually one of the most peaceful things you could do. Um, and I'm just really happy with it. I'm just happy with it. I could garden all day long if I could. If I didn't have to work a full-time job, this is what my career would be. So I look forward to you guys liking and subscribing. Any questions, again, any questions that you have, if I don't know the answers, I will find out the answers, but I'll walk you step through step with my journey and hope that you will acquire your own journey and we can all do this together. It just seems that, again, with the way that the world is now and the climate, it's important that you guys understand that growing your own food, one, means it's organic. You know exactly what's in it. There's no pesticides or no pretty stuff sprayed on it to make it look good as it does in the store. So that's what I want to get everybody on board with. I would really like everyone to take some time to grow some kind of food. You can even go flowers if flowers is just your thing and you just want things to be pretty. But food is where my heart is. I'm very adamant about growing food for my family, teaching my children how to grow food, and the world or whoever my subscribers are. So I look forward to you visiting me on my channel, like and subscribing. If you like it, comment, good, bad, or ugly. I'm fine with all of that. We'll work it out together. So welcome to my channel. I'm finally here. Bye.